Nataranjan, representing Nataranjan Group. I work for transforming the construction projects in terms of adopting project management solutions, AI for predictability, all of that. I think I was being told to give a short 2-3 minutes story of how I have implemented range in Nataranjan Group effectively. I think I will just cover that in a very brief note and then I will stop there. So I think 2 years back we started the journey of implementing range. That time it was a time where we were not having even an integrated schedule. We were having schedules, but then we were not having a proper integrated schedule. When I say integrated schedule, since we are from project business background, there was no connection between engineering to procurement to construction and so on. So it was all siloed. Before even adopting the platforms, I think there was a lot of process engineering which we have to do in terms of understanding what are the various data points we have to collect, and then to collect the data, what are the various platforms we have to adopt. I think that's where it all started. And then we have gone with multiple of the service providers and vendors, and then finally we zeroed in on range, understanding its strength, and then we started implementing it. And then since L&T is a very large diverse organization, I think around 7 independent companies, we have 21 groups, and then we have around 52 businesses. As we speak, our order book is around 4.55 lakh crore, and then this last year we closed around 2.5 lakh crore revenue. So that's the size of the organization, and then you have around 89,000 people, majorly on projects. At any point in time, we run around 550 to 600 projects live up and running. And then you cannot just go and touch the project because it's a very sensitive area. You cannot disturb it. So we took a step back, and then we kind of discussed with the leaders, and then we thought we should first go with one business, one project, and then do a deep understanding of it, be with the project manager, business head, implement it deeply, and then make this as a lighthouse project, and then make the business understand it, adopt it, and then by the way other business seeing it, adopting it. I think we took that way. Using range, we implemented EDMS, the complete engineering document management system. I think today we run using range platform. Procurement on and off, the post order, yes, we are doing with range. Pre-order we have tightly integrated with our ERP because it's almost like PR to PO, all that it gets done with our ERP. When it comes to construction, again, since it's a project business, there are a lot of data to be collected. So the daily progress register, daily execution register, all of that I think we started collecting through range. And then we also had certain platforms which is running for safety, quality and risk. Again, those parts of the data we collected, and then today as we speak, we named it L&T IPMS, Integrated Project Management System. Major of the data is getting collected from the range platform, and then we have a cockpit for the project manager, where the project manager will have only that IPMS platform to go in and out in terms of EPC, safety, quality, risk. That's how we have now termed it. Recently we had a meeting with our chairman, and then now the chairman of L&T has started using range and the IPMS dashboards, and he started reviewing the project. I was just discussing with some of the colleagues. I was telling that the adoption is done, but if the data discipline have to improve, I think the top-down will work very nicely. We have to make sure that the leadership understands the viewpoint of using the platforms to review the business, to review the projects. Then automatically the culture of adopting and putting the data on time, all that discipline of data, all that will improve. I think that's the way we took. So today, the chairman has mandated range IPMS as the platform for all the upcoming projects, and then 250 plus projects we have already implemented. Now we are also expanding it to other groups.